guys, what's up? So today's video, obviously I straightened my hair. It looked stiff, to say the least. It looked stiff. So stiff here. But I figured, I was like, why would I let this heat damage go to waste, basically? So I was like, you know, what can I do? I could braid it and leave it overnight and then it'll be wavy, which is what this is. And then I was thinking I could just do Bantu knots overnight and then they come out as curls. They work better for me on straight hair or blown out, like straight hair. If I do it on my curly hair, it looks atrocious. But yeah, so that is today's video. Basically I only used tea tree oil and bobby pins. So, but obviously to straighten my hair, I did a lot extra, but I tried to record it. And then once I noticed that it wasn't like bone straight silk press, that's not keeping up with all the other amazing YouTubers that can do silk presses. So I was like, what can I do? So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is pretty much day old hair. I did the Bantu knots the night before. I straightened my hair, I want to say like 2 or 3 days before this. Yeah, so this is pretty much how it ended up by the end of the day. All you really need is tea tree oil and bobby pins. I also use a hair tie and a comb. Yeah, yikes. That one has some hair on it. Then you're gonna start parting your hair. Just for the Bantu knot curl out, if you will. I didn't really put an emphasis on parting my hair because I wasn't really going to leave the house in just the Bantu knots. So the point of the Bantu knots is to create curls this time for me. So you just want to comb out the knots, make sure it's detangled. Then you're gonna start twisting whatever direction you want. And it starts to twist around itself anyway. Then you kind of just make it like a cinnamon roll, if that makes sense. If you're used to ballet buns, it's kind of just like mini cinnamon rolls. You're gonna secure it with a bobby pin or a hair tie. I use a hair tie later on in the video, but bobby pin in, and that's it. So I'm just gonna continue to do that with the rest of my hair. And again, I'm not parting with the comb. The parts don't really need to be super clean. If you're going to wear the curls, if you're gonna wear the Bantu knots out, you might want to put more of an emphasis on your parts to make it look presentable, but I don't really care about that this time around. Also, y'all, my ends are atrocious. I haven't straightened my hair, I want to say in like a year, maybe. But I got a trim around August of 2020. So I'm definitely due for another trim. So don't come for me for my ends. Y'all, they are split. They're not like split, they're just scraggly. I'm just putting tea tree oil wherever I feel like it's necessary. My hair is just super dry in the winter, so I just put it on my roots and my ends and just everywhere. Now just apply oil to wherever you feel it's necessary. And that is how you're gonna sleep. Honestly, it is kind of difficult to sleep with your hair like this. So if you can do it in the morning for going out in the evening or something like that, it does kind of prevent me from sleeping as well as I normally do. But beauty is pain, y'all. So I'm just gonna wrap it. My handy dandy scarf. And once it's secure, you are ready to go to sleep or to do whatever you have to do. All right, so it is the next morning. It's time to take these bad boys out. Yeah, so I just put a little bit more oil on my hands as to not create frizz when taking these down. I would say take them down very gently and pull them in the direction that they're going. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Just be gentle. And now you're just gonna start pulling it apart and fixing it the way that you want. Yeah, don't forget to get to your roots as well, because when I turned around, I didn't realize that that part was still a hard part there. But anyway, yeah, definitely fix it the way that you want it and make sure to get rid of the parts as well. Yeah, that's pretty much the finished product. I didn't do a great job of showing it off because we had some family business to take care of, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought it came out pretty cute. Pretty darn cute for some heatless, mostly heatless curls. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I think that I'm gonna do, I just ordered a bunch of clothes from ASOS. ASOS, yeah. So I think my next video is probably gonna be a clothing haul, so look out for that. Also, I'm in physical therapy, so I think I'm gonna do a video about what I'm working on right now, and if you have an injury, if you've been injured, this might help you too. So yeah, this is week 6 post-op. Next week we're going to be getting into some extra stuff, some harder stuff. So yeah, just a little preview of the videos that I have planned. Also, apartment tour. We're moving. There's stuff everywhere. But it's the same apartment complex, so it's gonna look exactly the same. But you know, we got some new things. We got some upgrades that I'm really excited about, and we're moving to the top floor. So yay! Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all the good stuff. Yeah, and it's almost March. Oh my God. This year's going by so quickly, which I'm not really that mad about, to be honest. But anyway, thank you guys. Bye. Ooh, I gotta do my nails. Bye.